Good morning, student. Today I am going to teach you about fashion cycle. But before we start with fashion cycle, we will see what is meant by fashion. Fashion is a part of our day-to-day life. It affects the way we lead our lives in terms of cloth that we select or buying habits and the type of lifestyle we lead. These days, fashion has become a part of our personality and individuality. Fashion. Fashion is always style. It is style that is accepted by a large group of people at any one time. Fashion is always new, even when an old fashion is revived, because style are reintroduced with newness for fresh appeal. Styles such as long skirt, empire dresses, cigarette pants, fitted kurtas were in fashion during the 1970s and have attract the fancy of the wearer to back in fashion. Now we will see some definitions of fashion. According to Oscar Wilde, fashion is a form of ugliness so intolerable that we have to alter it every 6 months. Exactly. Fashion is intolerable and we have to alter it every 6 months. Now we will see second definition. According to Shakespeare, fashion wear out more apparel than the man. It means fashion means many things to many people. It may be golden dream, looking good, traffic stoppers. Now, when a fashion style appear, it's seen and copied all over the world. It always remain in motion. The movement of fashion is depending on economic, social, psychological factors. Every fashion has a lifespan known as fashion cycle. This is the belly curve shape which represent the fashion cycle. The fashion cycle is an important guide for merchandising of fashion, as this information is important to study and understand the stages followed by each fashion introduced in market. Now let's study all these stages in detail. Now, there have 5 stages of fashion cycle. First one is introduction. Second, rise in popularity. Third stage, culmination or peak in popularity. Fourth stage, decline in popularity. And last one is obsolescence stage. Now, we will see one by one these stages. First stages, it means introduction. A new fashion or design can be introduced in the market through fabric or garment producers. The new style are always introduced in the high merchandise category and are made in limited quantities to the customer to test their reaction. A new fashion may be introduced by a designer in the form of new style, color, texture, or pattern. New styles, which of a high price, they are produced in smaller quantity but higher quality. Hence, the retailer purchases a limited number of pieces to test the new style and to see whether it appeal to the customer or not. The introduction stage end with accepting or rejecting of any product designed by the designer of the customer. So, this introduction phase is full of promotional efforts focus on maintaining full stock of merchandise at good price with advertisement. Now we will see second stage, rise in popularity. Once a style gains acceptance from a target audience, it moves on to the rise in popularity stage. At this stage, the market gets flooded with merchandise of that style, plus it is copied. Hence, this situation is known as knockoff situation. Now, here chances that the retailer may offer a duplicate item of the design. These knockoff are similar in style to the original designer creation, but at mass produce with cheaper fabrics and then therefore available at lower price. The original product is accepted by a large number of customers. It is considered to be the rising stage of any product or design. At this stage, the promotional efforts focus on maintaining full stock of the merchandise at good price with good advertisement. Now we will see third stage of fashion cycle. It means culmination stage. Culmination means peak in popularity. At this stage, fashion reached its height of popularity and use. Now, everyone use such pattern or designs. Therefore, this stage is also known as the plateau of fashion cycle. Fashion tend to become very slow in its movement at this stage. The style at this stage is widely available and accepted. It is therefore mass produced and distributed. The time phase of this stage can vary from very long to very short, depending on when people get tired of the old style and start looking for a change. Hence, at the culmination stage, the high price gradually decreases and the fashion become popular while the demand decreases. Now we will see fourth stage. It means decline stage. Decline in popularity. This stage starts when boredom for a particular styles set in due to a widespread acceptance and curiosity for new style forces customer to try out new style. At this stage of decline, a particular type of fashion reach its saturation point and therefore nobody want to invest in this fashion, especially at regular price, although they are still wearing it. Therefore, the style is made available at reduced price with advertisement focus on price reduction. The retailers want to focus their attention on new merchandise and therefore start the process of stock clearance through sales. Now we will see fifth stage of fashion cycle. It's the last stage of fashion cycle, obsolescence period, when strong dislike for a particular style has been set up and the product is no longer being sold at the price, and when the people are not even willing to buy such product, the fashion then come to the obsolescence stage. Each fashion has a consumer buying cycle and a consumer use cycle. Here given some diagram, and this line represent consumer use cycle and dotted line represent consumer buying cycle. At the plateau stage of fashion, the buying cycle tend to decline more quickly than the user cycle. This is because consumers start getting tired of seeing everybody wearing the same style. This stage marks the end of style when no one want to invest in this fashion or wear it, and then designer introduce a new style in the market. In this way the fashion cycle will continue and again new design introduce and then again it peak period, and in this way the fashion cycle is going on. Thank you girls.